Hello and welcome to Siebel Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, the VIX cash is trending lower today as we see the SPX maintaining the upward momentum, pushing to new all-time highs intraday here. And with that, the VIX cash trending down towards the lowest level of the year, 15.35 currently on the VIX cash level. Looking at realized volatility, I do want to point out there was a shift week over week in realized volatility. 10-day realized volatility increasing from 6% to 11.5%. However, 30-day realized volatility has actually decreased week over week from 12% down to 10%, so shifting in the realized volatility dynamic over the last 30 days. Let's look at the roll market. We're seeing that widen today out to $1.85 between July and August futures on the VIX. And we're continuing, that's up 15 cents on the day. And we are seeing the futures curve shifting lower or steepening. So therefore, as the markets continue to realize this upside momentum, we are seeing pressure on those nearer dated futures markets. And I do want to point out, looking at July, August, and September futures, we're seeing them trading at contract lows. Looking at the at-the-money straddle in the SPX, we did see that implied level decline by 2 points week over week from 12 back to 10, or I should say 12.5 back to 10.5 currently, but still we're seeing a decline in at-the-money volatility readings. Now the skew factor continues to hold basically at the 161 level, so we are seeing again substantial demand for out-of-the-money puts relative to out-of-money calls once again this week. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 105. So that's trending lower again, and we are basically seeing the VVIX at 3-week lows now. And activity in the VIX options put side today, really in July, where you're seeing in and at and out of the money puts, I guess, 16 through 19 lines, pretty active. And we're seeing some out of the money calls trading and way out of the money calls trading in both July and August. Looking at next week, I think there's a few things to focus on. Fed speak, once again, the market's going to contend with that. We have data points highlighted by the unemployment report, and we also have the infrastructure negotiations continuing to kick in. And I do want to also close with the fact that we are seeing a Russell rebalance today, so that could lead to some volatility here at the close of the market.